In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the hand tool and the rotate tool. The hand tool should look like a little hand. It is quick keyed to H, and the rotate tool is a part of that and it's quick keyed to R. The hand tool allows us to click and drag the canvas around. This can be very helpful, specifically if we're zoomed into an area. Then I can draw a little bit in one area, switch over to the hand tool, move it, and draw in another area without having to zoom in and out. Another way to activate the hand tool is to hold down the space bar. The space bar will temporarily change it to the hand tool, but the moment I let go of the space bar, it'll go back to the tool that I was originally using. So that is the hand tool. The rotate tool is similar. It is quick keyed to R and attached to the hand tool, and what it does is it allows us to rotate the canvas. While I'm rotating it, I can rotate it freely by clicking and dragging, or if I hold shift, it'll go by more set angles. And you can see it's kind of clicking and jumping. And this can be helpful if I want to get it set to specifically 90 degrees or 45 or something like that. That can be helpful for us to be able to get the canvas in a way that my hand feels a little bit more confident in drawing, especially if I don't have a lot of practice at drawing at different angles. So that is the hand tool and the rotate tool.